from a human point of view, from a political point of view, Jesus is going to get sideways with the wrong people who happen to have enough political clout, with a guy who will allow them to crucify their religious enemy, Jesus. From a human point of view, maybe that's what it looks like. From a sheer political power point of view, maybe that's what it looks like. What is really going on is the completion of God's plan to defeat all of the supernatural enemies arrayed against him and who plan on destroying the pinnacle of God's creation, you and me. This is what's really going on.